The future of ETL processes in Hadoop, trends and tools. ETL processes have come a long way since the inception of Hadoop. Initially, ETL in Hadoop was a batch process. Tools like Apache Hive and Pig served as the backbone. These tools were for large-scale data transformations. But they often lacked the agility for real-time data processing. The demand for faster, more efficient ETL processes led to new tools and frameworks. Today, ETL in Hadoop is not just about batch processing. The rise of real-time ETL. Real-time ETL is now vital in today's fast-paced business world. Batch mode ETL processes are being replaced by real-time ETL tools. These can process data as it arrives. Apache Kafka and Apache Flink are popular in the Hadoop ecosystem. They enable real-time data processing. These tools let organizations react to data in near real time. The role of machine learning in ETL processes. ETL was once a rules-based process. Data was transformed using predefined logic. However, as data has grown more complex, so has the need for smarter, adaptive ETL processes. Machine learning algorithms can find patterns, anomalies, and relationships in data. The impact of cloud computing on ETL processes. Cloud computing has revolutionized the way ETL processes are managed and executed. Cloud-native ETL tools have freed organizations from on-premises limits. Cloud-based ETL solutions are scalable, flexible, and cost-effective. They let organizations process large data volumes without a big upfront investment. Tools like AWS Glue, Google Cloud Dataflow, and Azure Data Factory have made it easier to manage ETL pipelines in the cloud. Future trends in ETL tools and technologies. The future of ETL in Hadoop is likely to be shaped by several emerging trends and technologies. A key trend is the shift to self-service ETL. Business users can now build and manage their own data pipelines without IT's help. User-friendly ETL tools are making data processing easier. They hide its complexity. Another trend is the rise of open-source ETL tools. They are flexible and have community support. Conclusion: ETL processes in Hadoop are being shaped by new tech and changing business needs. As organizations face big data challenges, the demand for faster, smarter ETL processes will grow.